Good morning, team. Hope everyone is doing well. Alright, team, let's talk. Karuna and Ritika, what is the status of accounting? All invoices are updated?
Honestly, ma'am, we are doing a lot of manual work. Opening each PDF, typing every detail, it takes so much of time.
Yes, ma'am. Sometimes 20-30 invoices in a day, and typing everything manually is really hectic.
Exactly. That's why I want to show you how simple TallyPrime OCR makes the entire process. So these are the pending invoices. It need to be uploaded. Now I simply select the file. Click on import. Select the invoice file. And TallyPrime automatically reads the invoices. And create the voucher. Done. No typing, no manual entries. Imagine how much time you all save in every day. Hold on. One invoice is still missing. This one belongs to Yevit. Yevit, where is your invoice? It's still pending.
Yes, Purvi ma'am. I'm not in front of my system right now. But that's not a problem. I can upload the invoice directly from my mobile to Tally using OCR. Allow me to share my screen.
Okay.
Done, ma'am. I think it should reflect on your side now.
Perfect, Yevit. Thank you. I can see your documents right now. Let me import your transaction into TallyPrime. And done. The voucher is created successfully. So this is how simple your process becomes with TallyPrime OCR. Upload, process, import, vouchers ready. No more manual typing, no delays. Even if you are not near your computer, you can upload documents directly from your mobile. Thank you and stay connected with Software at Work.